In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google One's storage options as of April 2025. As many of you might know, Google doesn't offer a free 1 TB storage plan for Google Drive. The standard free storage with Google remains at 15 GB, which you'll find is shared across your Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Let's dive in and explore how you can subscribe to different plans through Google One if you need more space. To start, you'll want to visit the Google One website. You can easily do this by typing Google One into your search bar and clicking on the official link. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. It's the same account you use for all your Google services like Gmail or Google Photos, so log in as you normally would. Once logged in, take a moment to browse the variety of storage plans that Google One offers. There's a selection designed to fit different needs and budgets. Let's take a closer look at these options. For a small boost, you can choose the 100 GB plan at just $199 per month, or if you prefer, pay annually at $19.99. It's a nice jump up from the free plan and perfect for moderate users. If you have more demanding storage needs, perhaps the 2 TB plan would suit you better. It costs $9.99 a month or $99.99 annually. This is quite popular among users who regularly store high-resolution photos, large video files, or backup extensive data sets. For those of you interested in additional features, there's the AI Premium option. It offers not only 2 TB of storage, but also the Gemini Advanced features, and it's priced at $99.99 per month. This plan is perfect for users who are looking to get a little bit more out of their cloud storage, including those interested in enhanced AI services. When you've decided which plan fits your needs the best, select it. You'll then follow the straightforward prompts provided to complete your subscription. It's as easy as clicking the subscribe button, entering your payment information, and confirming your purchase. Taking advantage of Google One's storage options allows you to navigate and manage your cloud storage efficiently. It alleviates the hassle of running out of space and ensures that all your important data is backed up and accessible whenever you need it. Sure, Google Drive doesn't give away 1 TB of storage for free, but with these reasonable and varied plans, you can definitely find something that meets your requirements without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in managing your digital storage needs.